I'm so ready to give you guys this video. I've had a lot of people asking this question. So let's go ahead and get into my top 5 ways on how I would recommend you lacing your Air Jordan 1. DNA fam, what's good? What's up with you guys? How you doing? How you been? If you did not know by now, my name is DJ and this is The DNA Show. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the family. Drop a comment down below and let me know that you are new to the family. All the old family, what's up with y'all? I missed y'all. I know it feels like it's been forever, but I'm back, baby, and I'm so much better. So with that being said, it's time to go ahead and get into this video and start answering these questions on what is the best style to lace your Air Jordan 1s. Me personally, I have one style that I usually go with, maybe another one that sometimes I like to sprinkle in, but I'm gonna just start with my original classic style and then I'll show you some bonuses as well. We'll probably knock about 5 to 6 different styles out in this video. So stick around until the end and let me know which one you guys think is your favorite as well. So first thing I wanna do is I wanna make sure that the lace tips are even right here at the top. Pull them up, make sure that's even. So I'm gonna start with the inside of the foot and I'm gonna work my way towards the outside of the foot first. And I'm gonna go underneath and I wanna make sure all the outside laces go over the top second, so that way it's all in unison and every single lace is flat as well. It looks very clean, very in sync. And I know this may mean nothing to some people, but to other people it may mean the world if you got messed up laces and different things like that. Okay, so I'm almost at the top now, and this is what I was saying before. As you can see from here, the laces are pretty much in sync. They all look pretty flush, pretty flat, and that's the look that I'm always going for. I want to have that clean look. We're at the very top, so when we get to the top, I want to leave, this is about 1 inch to 2 inches hanging down from the side right here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing here on the other side as well. I'm not gonna go to the very top hole, but I'm gonna go to the second hole here from the top, and then you see I have a lot of excess room right here. So what I'm gonna do now is pull the laces and make it even as I go throughout to the bottom, and then just slowly pull. That way you can see the lace is fully distributed around the foot right here. From there, we're gonna put this on foot and I'm gonna show you guys what this style looks like, and then I'll let you guys be the judge of it, and then we'll get into style number 2. So that's an on foot look of my favorite style. I love that style because you can easily slip your foot on and off. It's ready to go. If I need to, I could tie them up real quick. If I don't need to, like I'm just always chilling most of the time, so then I can just rock them super loose, super swagged out, and that's the way I like to go. So now let's take it into style number 2. This one's very, very similar. What we're gonna do is loosen up the very first 2, pull these out, and then you can then tie a bow tie here with the loose style. So I'll show you an on foot look at that real quick. And as you can see, that's another style that a lot of people like to go with. A very loose yet tied up version of it. So those are 2 ways to freak it out. And then let's take it into style number 3. Keep the same lace style that we already had. We're gonna tighten it all the way up. And then now we're gonna lace it all the way to the very top of the shoe with our classic style of lacing. Inside of the foot first, outside of the foot second, over the top. And then we're gonna tighten this up even tighter. Obviously it's gonna look a little bit different once I put it on foot, but the whole purpose of this one is that classic old school, you know, very, very old school 80s vibe. Shoe tied up tight with the bow tie on the top. People rocking the high jeans with the, you know, the high water is what I'm saying. And then they rock it with the tie at the top like this. Some people like this style. Me personally, I don't really prefer it, but I know a lot of people that do rock this style. They rock some high cut jeans and they got them folded up and their socks or ankles is showing even though it's a high top shoe. Freak it however you want. I'm just showing you different versions. So obviously you have just seen that version of it right there. Let's take it into style number 4. Okay, so we're back at our starting point again and we want to make sure the lace tips are even. We're going to pull all that up, make sure it's even. And this time we're going to go over the top instead of under like we did last time. Last time we went underneath. This time we're gonna go over the top from the outside like this. And this is gonna give the lace a different look as well. I don't really like this style, but I know a lot of people do. So obviously I have to show you guys. It's just not my preference. I think it's because I'm too lazy to lace it like this. And I know a lot of Jordan 1s come with them unlaced already, so I have to lace the shoe no matter what. But I know back in the day, a lot of the shoes already came pre-laced. And when they came pre-laced, I was just too lazy to lace them a different way. Always stuck with the classic styles. Okay, so we are ready to go. We're gonna go 3 holes down, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna stop right there, and then we're gonna tie a bow on it right here, kind of small, kind of loosely. And then what we're gonna do is pull the strings out right here and give it a loose fit on the foot. So that's why you can see it has that loose fit. It's got the bow sticking out right there, if you can see that. So let's take it to an on foot look so you guys check that one out, and then I'll show you another style. So what did you guys think about that style? I know a lot of people prefer that style, so I mean, hey, I'm not mad at you. Rock it how you want. I just know it's not for me, but it don't look too bad. It is very similar to what I like to wear, so I'm not really truly mad at it. Again, I'm just lazy, so I always just like to let my laces hang. Okay, so now where we're gonna go is the extremely loose style that I see a lot of people rocking. We're gonna pull out 1 hole, and then we're gonna pull out another hole. We're gonna go 5 holes down, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5th hole right here, and then we're gonna loosen it up again one more time. And as you can see, there's a lot of lace left right here. What we're gonna do is put another small bow right here, and then we're gonna really loosen it up this time. We're gonna pull a lot of the lace here onto the toe of the foot. People like this style. Again, not for me, but I know a lot of people like to do it, so I gotta show it. The laces are very loosely fitted onto the foot, and they're just sitting right there. And you basically like, now this is the ultimate like sliding in, sliding out. But I know a lot of people that actually do wear their shoe like this as well. So let's check it out on foot and let's see what you think. Okay, we got 2 more styles. Again, these ones I'm not really into, but a lot of people have been talking about it from the last Air Force 1 video, so I gotta put it in this video just to see how it looks. I haven't seen too many people do it this style, but let's just go ahead and try it out and see what we're talking about when we're talking about that bar style. And when I'm talking about bars, I mean bars. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is stay on this side of the foot. We're gonna work our way up to the first hole right here, and then we're gonna go immediately across to the next hole, starting from the outside, working our way in. And we're gonna do that as we work our way all the way up the foot. We're gonna go up 2 holes on this one, because you gotta skip a hole every time you do it when it comes to the bar style. And I mean bars, I mean bars. Okay, so now that we're at the top, we're gonna get to the second hole from the top. We're gonna go across on this one, and then we're gonna tie these up, or you can let them sit inside the foot, whatever you like to do. Basically, it's gonna kind of be disappeared like that. And then you're gonna have your bar style right here across the foot. This is a new look. I haven't seen that many people do it, but for some reason it got a lot of attraction in the last video. So let's check out the on foot look at this one, and I'll let you guys make your judgment. So what do you guys think about that look? Honestly, I think a lot of OG, triple OGs like that style. A lot of classics like that style. But for me, I'm a young gunner, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just stick to my way with the just, you know, I just can't do it right now. But maybe one day it'll grow on me. It's just not growing on me right now. Okay, we are on to the very final style. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the family like I said before. Smash the like button if you are enjoying this or this video is helping you. Don't forget to share this to your friends. Let's check out this final style, and then I'll see you guys for the outro. So for this one, we're gonna skip a hole every single time, and we're gonna do a regular X across the shoe like we normally would. It's just a very loose fitting style, something that's kind of like, I didn't feel like lacing them all the way up, so I only laced every other hole type thing. I've seen people rock this style before. Me personally, again, I don't really rock with this style, but I know it is a style, so we gotta show it. I said style way too many times, bro. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the very top hole because we skipped every other hole. And then what we're going to do is put a big bow on it and then kind of loosen it up a little bit. Let it just hang on the foot. This is a very loose style. A lot of people I've seen do it this way before. Again, not really for me. It fills out a little bit more once you put it on the foot. So let's go ahead and put it on the foot real quick. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll be back at you for the end. Alright you guys, so that's gonna do it. Which style was your favorite? Which style do you like to go to now? I know Jordan Brand has been dropping a lot of Air Jordan 1s lately. Me personally, I think certain colors of laces go with certain shoes better than others. We could talk about that topic in another video, but when it comes to the style of lacing and how you do it, I show you mine from the get-go on what one was my favorite. Now drop comments down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Bruh, I'm so excited to be back, bruh. It feels like I've been gone for forever. Shout out to everybody that's been showing love, sending me positive messages, positive energies, positive vibes, bruh. I appreciate you guys' support so much, bruh. Honestly, the past couple weeks have been very, very hard for me, and I ain't gonna lie to you. I tried to pick up the camera multiple times throughout the past couple weeks and I just could not do it. One time I tried to record a video and I thought I was recording. I didn't even press the record button, bruh. I was sitting in front of the camera talking for 20 minutes and didn't even record nothing, bruh. I got to my laptop and I was like, I didn't even record. Like, I literally been going through it. I'm sorry. Y'all, everybody that knows, but just know, I'm back, I'm better. We're coming back strong, baby. Videos dropping for your head top. Everybody stay safe, wash your hands, don't forget to sanitize. Bless up, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Man, I'm so happy to be back, bro. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for another one. My name is DJ, I'm signing out, I'm gone. Peace.